John Deere 4440 is one of the most renowned tractors in agricultural history, known for its power, dependability, and cutting-edge innovations. This tractor, manufactured from 1978 to 1982, is still a favorite among farmers and tractor aficionados due to its exceptional performance and longevity. This video will explore the key features, applications, and enduring legacy of the John Deere 4440, highlighting why it remains a popular workhorse in the farming community. Engine and performance. The John Deere 4440 is powered by a sturdy 6-cylinder, 7.6-liter diesel engine. This powerhouse produces 130 to 140 horsepower, giving ample power for a variety of agricultural chores. The engine is designed to produce steady power and torque, allowing the tractor to undertake difficult tasks with ease. The turbocharged engine improves fuel efficiency and overall performance, making the 4440 a cost-effective option for large-scale agricultural operations. Transmission and hydraulics. The John Deere 4440 has a power shift transmission, which was highly sophisticated for the time. This gearbox technology enables smooth and seamless shifting between ratios without the need for clutching. With 8 forward gears and 4 reverse gears, operators may easily find the appropriate speed for diverse jobs, increasing productivity and efficiency on the job. The power shift transmission is noted for its durability and ease of use, making it a popular choice among operators. Another notable feature is the tractor's hydraulic system, which is capable of handling a wide range of attachments and implements. The hydraulics have a high flow rate, which allows for effective plowing, planting, and tilling. The John Deere 4440's sturdy hydraulic system adds to its overall versatility, allowing it to adapt to a variety of farming needs and conditions. Cab comfort and ergonomics. One of the most notable features of the John Deere 4440 is the SoundGuard cab, which represents a significant improvement in tractor design. The cab provides a comfortable and peaceful atmosphere for the operator, decreasing tiredness during lengthy periods of labor. The SoundGuard cab is fitted with air conditioning and heating, offering comfort in all weather. The ergonomic design of the controls and the large interior add to the operator's experience, making the 4440 a delight to use. Durability and maintenance. The John Deere 4440 is known for its sturdy construction and long longevity. This tractor, built with high-quality materials and components, is intended to withstand the demands of heavy-duty farming activities. Regular maintenance and appropriate care can considerably extend the 4440's life, making it a dependable farm partner for many years to come. When purchasing a used John Deere 4440, it is critical to inspect the maintenance history and overall condition. Many 4440 tractors are still in excellent working condition today, demonstrating their durability and build quality. Because of its popularity and long-standing reputation, spare parts for the 4440 are generally easy to come by, allowing for hassle-free maintenance and repairs. Versatility and usage. The John Deere 4440's adaptability makes it ideal for a variety of agricultural applications. This tractor can handle it all, including plowing, planting, tilling, and hauling. Its powerful engine and efficient transmission system make it an excellent choice for large-scale farming operations that require tough and dependable equipment. Farmers value the 4440's capacity to execute a variety of jobs efficiently, minimizing the need for many specialist machines. This adaptability not only saves time and money, but also makes it easier to operate farming equipment. The John Deere 4440's versatility to various tools and attachments increases its usability, making it an invaluable asset on any farm. Legacy and collectability. The John Deere 4440 made an unmistakable impression on the agricultural industry. Its reputation for longevity, performance, and operator comfort has helped it become a tractor classic. Many farmers and tractor aficionados hold the 4440 in high regard, and it remains a popular model in the used tractor market. Collectors value the John Deere 4440 because of its historical relevance and timeless charm. Restored models are frequently seen at tractor shows and exhibits, where they are celebrated for their engineering prowess and timeless design. The 4440 reflects a golden age of tractor manufacture when innovation and quality were prioritized. The John Deere 4440 is more than a tractor. It represents agricultural innovation and quality. Its powerful engine, modern transmission, and strong hydraulic system make it a formidable equipment capable of performing a variety of farming jobs. The SoundGuard cab offers unparalleled comfort, making long hours in the field more comfortable. Its long-lasting durability and ease of maintenance make it a dependable farm partner. The memory of the John Deere 4440 lives on, with many farmers and collectors appreciating its performance and historical significance. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tractor insights.